Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the sulfonation of the benzene. Sulfonation of the benzene is an electrophilic substitution reaction in which the product formed is benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene reacts in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 120 degree centigrade or with fuming sulfuric acid to form the main product, that is the benzene sulfonic acid. The reaction with the fuming sulfuric acid occurs at room temperature. Fuming sulfuric acid basically contains sulfur trioxide in H2SO4. This reaction occurs fastly because in this there is no need to generate the electrophile because sulfur trioxide act as a electrophile. So the basic mechanism of the sulfonation of the benzene is same as like the other electrophilic substitution reaction of the benzene. The first step is the generation of the electrophile. Next step is the attack of the electrophile on the benzene ring to form the carbonium ion. Third step is the loss of the proton to form the main product, that is the substituted product, that is the benzene, like in sulfonation, that is the benzene sulfonic acid. So let's see the mechanism. First step is the generation of the electrophile. So if we use the concentrated sulfuric acid, then there is a need to generate the electrophile. So 2 moles of sulfuric acid on heating to form sulfur trioxide as an electrophile. It is a reversible step. If we use fuming sulfuric acid, then this step is not important because in this the sulfur trioxide is directly obtained as an electrophile. The next step is the attack of electrophile on benzene ring. Since the benzene ring has a pi electron cloud, so it is an electron rich, therefore it is susceptible to the electrophile attack. So if it is a benzene ring, suppose if I break this bond in this direction, in sulfur trioxide, oxygen is highly electronegative, that's why it withdraws the electron from the sulfur from this bond. Electron will be withdrawn towards the oxygen. So a partial positive charge on the sulfur will develop and partial negative charge on the oxygen. So now the sulfur is an electron deficient, so it will attack on the region where the electron density is high. So this sulfur part, this electron deficient part will attack on this carbon of the benzene ring to form an intermediate. Here the positive charge will come and SO3 negative, also called the carbonium ion. And this carbonium ion is resonance stabilized. It can undergo resonance like this. Electron can be shifted towards this direction. So a positive charge will come here. A new bond will be formed here. It can also be shifted here. These are the movements of the electrons due to the resonance. A positive charge will come here and a new bond will be formed here. So these are the various resonating structure of this carbonium ion intermediate. So it is stable. Now the next step is the loss of the proton. This HSO4 ion from this step first, from this step, that is the step 1. will accept the proton from this intermediate. Proton loses its electron, will donate here, and this proton will be accepted by this HSO4 ion. Now the next step is addition of proton to give benzene sulfonic acid. Plus H3O positive ion from the step first. Will donate a proton to the benzene. Proton will be accepted by this SO3 negative ion to form benzene sulfonic acid. So it is all about the mechanism of sulphonation of the benzene. The first step is the generation of the electrophile, that is the sulfur trioxide. Next step is the attack of the electrophile on the benzene ring to form carbonium ion, and that carbonium ion is resonance stabilized. Third step is the loss of the to form an intermediate, and that intermediate in the next step, that is the fourth step, addition of the proton to give the benzene sulfonic acid, that is our the desired product. So it is all about the sulphonation of the benzene. Thank you so much.